Hello and welcome to your Drawings by Me art tutorial. Today we are going to mix biology with art, creating pop art cells, like the cells that are in your body. In this tutorial, you will learn how to be bold and brave with your ideas and colours, creating your own style by choosing and mixing colours and practicing your sketching techniques. In today's tutorial, we are inspired by a Japanese artist who is famous for her love of dots, not just in her paintings and installations, but on her clothes and home too. Today, we are inspired by Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi Kusama is a contemporary artist, which means she is inspired by new and modern ideas. She does create paintings, but is more famous for her huge installations, where she creates rooms filled with different coloured and sized dots covering the walls, floor and ceiling. She is 90 years old and still creating art, which I think is an inspiration that you don't even have to give up on creating art or living your dream ever. The resources that you will need today are pencil and rubber, watercolour paints, paintbrushes and a black pen. I thought that it would be very fun to create different shapes and colours as cells, representing all the different cells that our body is made up of, just like Yayoi did in her newest set of paintings, representing organic shapes. First, draw a large shape in the middle of your paper. Mine is made of wavy lines in a rectangle type shape. You can choose how yours looks, but make sure there is room in the middle to add in lots of little shapes. Squeeze out all of the watercolours that you have chosen to use in this painting. If you are using tubes, you need to have a palette. First, you are going to paint your background. You can choose any colour that you wish to create your watercolour background. Add in more water as you go, so that the paint goes on smoothly in the background. This makes the colours blend together. While I'm painting, I was looking at some of Yayoi Kusama's pictures to help me with inspiration. In the middle of my giant cell, I'm adding in lots of little shapes. They can be organic or cell shapes. You can use any types of line, any types of shapes and any types of colours that you wish. I added polka dots into my background because, as Yayoi says, polka dots are fabulous. Choose to colour in your smaller cells in the middle with as many different colours as you can. Like I said, I was inspired by Yayoi's paintings, which uses a range of different warm and cool colours. I chose not to add lots of water to my watercolour painting so that the colours were very bold. Here I am adding all of the polka dots to my background. If you do the same, make sure to do them carefully, trying to get them the same shape and size. Then I added in my last details with my paint. You can choose to add in lines, dots or any patterns that you wish. Once the painting was dry, I then added detail with a black pen, including outlining the shapes and the cells. And there is your finished polka dot pop art organic cells painting, one of a kind, just like you are. Now it is your turn to create your own art. Enjoy and tag us in any pictures you take of your wonderful art.